Welcome back to another exciting video from Natcom Store. We're thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a topic that's sure to bring a breath of fresh air into your living space. So let's get started. Today we're going to uncover the amazing benefits of adding plants to your home decor. Yes, you heard it right. We're about to reveal why bringing in some green goodness can transform your space into a vibrant oasis. Get ready to be inspired. Benefit 1. Improving air quality. Let's kick things off with a breath of fresh air. Did you know that plants are natural air purifiers? They absorb harmful toxins and release oxygen into the air. In fact, NASA's studies have shown that certain plants can remove up to 87% of toxins within just 24 hours. So, by adding plants to your living space, you not only enhance its beauty, but also create a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. Benefit 2. Reducing stress and anxiety. Feeling a little stressed or overwhelmed? Well, here's a natural remedy for you. Plants have a magical calming effect on our minds and bodies. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and promote feelings of relaxation and calmness. So, by incorporating plants into your home decor, you can create a soothing sanctuary that helps you find inner peace. Benefit 3. Boosting creativity. Are you ready to unleash your creative side? Well, plants can be your secret weapon. Research has shown that being around plants can actually boost creativity and productivity. They improve cognitive function and increase attention span, making you more focused and inspired. So whether you're working from home or pursuing your hobbies, having plants around can ignite your imagination. Benefit 4. Improving sleep. A good night's sleep is priceless, isn't it? Well, guess what? Plants can help you catch those Z's more easily. Some plants, like lavender, jasmine, and aloe vera, have a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting restful sleep. By adding these sleep-inducing plants to your bedroom, you can create a peaceful haven for rejuvenation. Benefit 5. Enhancing aesthetics. Of course, we can't overlook the visual impact of plants in your home decor. They bring life, color, texture, and vibrancy to your living space, making it feel more inviting and cozy. From elegant potted plants to hanging greenery, the possibilities are endless. So get ready to turn your space into a breathtaking haven that will impress all your guests. And there you have it, folks. We've unveiled the wonderful benefits of adding plants to your home decor and shared some valuable tips for creating your own green paradise. But before we go, we want to remind you to check out Natcom Store for a wide range of great and trending products. Your journey to a stunning and healthier living space starts there. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, stay green and stay fabulous. Bye!